line 2260, 2280, and 26120. These sell quite a few of these. 4-inch spindle bore is a big feature that people are looking for that allows them to take something longer than they can fit between the chuck and the tailstock and go up into the spindle if they need to do something towards the end of that work. Also, it's a clutch drive spindle, so you've got a 10 horsepower motor that is what we call a soft start. Generally, on a gearhead lathe, kind of going backwards when I started out there with the smaller machine. On a gearhead lathe, when you hit that button and turn it on, you've got to get the motor turning, you've got to get the gears turning, and then there's a gearbox, you've got to get the chuck turning, and you've got to get the part turning. That's on your electrical system. You can see the lights jump when you turn it on one of those machines that's under the load, because it takes an extra inrush of power to get the thing going. We have issues with customers that are trying to use the inexpensive base inverters on a lathe, and it's not going to work. They are not made to handle a hard start machine. It also has the 4-way rapid feature of the carriage. I don't know if you want to fire it up and show them
Can you speak just a little louder?
Some voices. Okay, so basically this is a big time saver. On a shorter machine like this, not so much, but once you get into that 2280 and that 26120, if you can imagine you got to do something down on this end, and then okay, now I got to do a little machining over here. These guys, they don't want to crank it all the way to the other end. You know, time is money when you're running a machine shop, so anything that will speed up the process. The readout systems probably starting, 5-10 years ago, pretty much every lathe is going on a readout system now. It took a while. Milling machines, everybody realized the value of the digital readouts. Because without a readout, you're going to look at these graduated dials, and that's all really nice, and our new machine still has graduated dials. But you've got to count your revolutions, you've got to know how much you're traveling per revolution, you've got to account for backlash and everything. But if you're looking at the numbers don't change unless this is moving. So what you got is, you have to put it up. That's it. You can't see it, but there's a little bit of backlash. Anytime you got a screw in a nut and you change direction, that's what they call backlash. So without that, you have to take that into account so that you know where you're at every time that you're going in or coming out. The readout shows movement only when the slide is actually moving, because you've got the one part of the readout scale attached to the stop slide, and then what they call the reader head is attached to the stationary lower part of the blade apron. Okay, so that gives you, that's the same way they mount on the back where they travel along the bed. They have the scale, which is stationary there, and the reader head travels with the carriage. So that's the process with the digital readouts. Okay, the reader head goes along the rod on these new all systems, and then just very accurately shows you where you're at. You zero the display. Anytime you need to start over with an operation, switch. If you're trying to do something in metrics, there's just a push button switch from inch to metric.
So Phil, what type of operation would one do on this type of machine? What kind of?
Everything's based on the size of the part. So you go to a bigger machine like this when you're doing something bigger. I think that one customer that I visited over in Canada there was, they bought the 22 by 80, and they were making some Coast Guard boats for the Canadian Coast Guard. They had some longer shafts that they needed to work on as part of, these bolts were pretty much hand built. They needed some machinery to work on the parts that went into that. And we've got, the principle is the same, it's just scaled up for the size of the parts. So up until, what, maybe 4 weeks ago, we finally moved that last 30 by 160. It was a machine, this is 60 inches between centers. We had a couple of them in here that were 160 inches. This is triple this. And this is a 22-inch swing, which, when they're referring to swing, it's all large in diameter. Put over the truck and not hit the waves. You guys should swing over the cross slide, which means you've got a part between the truck that's in the center and it's supported on the longer part, and you're going to work on the entire piece. So you're not between centers, but the largest diameter that you can put on then has to be the diameter that will clear this slide that takes the cutting tool into the part.
So Phil, this would be used for round diameter product, okay? That you're either reducing the diameter, possibly making a shape in the round, cutting it off, or possibly threading.
Threading on them also. There's quite a variety of inch and metric threads that are available on these machines, pretty much all the common thread sizes that somebody would need to cut. The design of all these machines, and again, what's true with this is also true with the smaller models. It's set up with the inch system. This is in the U.S. market and even in Canada, we still pretty much are inch-based. A lot of parts are metric, everybody thinks an inch. So what that means is they've got an inch pitch lead screw, and that determines what your primary threading is. So this machine is set up for inch threading. There's a system with a threading dial. I don't want to get into too much detail, but this is something that I don't know if there's that many customers even that are threading on the blades anymore. They're just doing more basic stuff. You run into people that don't even seem to know how to thread with the machine that they buy. But where I was trying to go with that is you can cut metric threads with this also. It just involves a change of gear positions on the levers. The key thing is, and customers make this mistake on a regular basis, you can't use the threading dial. The threading dial is a little gizmo that allows you to release the half nuts that's involved and grab onto the lead screw. You put the lever down and it grabs the lead screw, and then by this pitch and being engaged there, you go along in a ratio to the how fast the part is turning, and that produces your 13 threads per inch if that's what you're going for. But when you're doing a metric thread, because you're working off of an inch pitch lead screw, you can't use that threading dial. So you simply have to explain to customers if they do have that issue, I can't get a good metric thread on this machine. Well, once you lock it down, you have to stay locked on the lead screw, and then you just back up your tool bit, because you don't cut a thread in one pass. It's a multi-pass process until you get to the full depth, depending on how strong a machine you've got, how much you can take off per pass. Cutting until you get to full depth thread, and it works. It'll give you a metric thread. You just don't use your little shortcut system with the threading dial.
What's the tolerance?
Bigger machines probably are a little wider tolerance than the small ones, but what do you think, Scott? With the standard truck, you could probably work within thousands or so.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's not, if you're looking for accuracy down into tenths, 0.0001, then you're going to be grinding the machine, the part that is, you're going to be on a grinding machine after you possibly rough it on a lathe. But it's still fairly accurate machines.
So Phil, I know that in our line of lathes, in the KBC lathe, we don't go up to this size. Could you tell us just a couple of the main reasons why Kent is a really good lathe?
A little more more support than we would if we were, it's all on us anytime we're importing machines. So, but yeah, Kent has factories that won't sell to us, basically. They're
Are they
small
also
factories.
heavy machines?
Oh yeah,
So they're heavy machines,
Yeah,
like,
you get
there
it.
are other machines this size that are much lighter, right? Not quite as structurally strong.
There's some that match up on the surface as far as the specs go, but yeah, they have certain advantages, like nobody else offers a machine in this size range, in this price range for sure, or size range with a clutch spindle drive. Everybody else is just hard start, you push the button and hope you got enough electricity to get her turning.
Thank you. Anybody have any other questions?
On this one, that's the way removable there.
Yeah, they all of these have what they call a gap section. So yeah, that 22-inch sway that I mentioned, there's bolts here that you can take this piece out. It's not something you want to do for a 5-minute job because it's probably, I don't know, a good half hour to pull it out and get it back in and line it up properly. But it allows somebody, particularly if you're doing something like a faceplate or whatever, that doesn't stick out very far, but it just won't fit on the machine. Then you can pull that section of the bed out and chuck it up and work on it. And that's true on the bigger machines. All of the machines, all the lathes you'll see are gap bed lathes. Again, that's something I don't think the customers are taking advantage of. It's not really a huge selling point.
No, not out in the field. You don't see too many people that do
Because the process of getting it back in, you've got to indicate the surface in each direction and square it up, and otherwise you don't have precision. So
It's better to upsell them to a bigger lathe anyways.
yeah, if they don't have the budget for it and they want to try to get even more out of a smaller machine, that would be one way to do it.